Never going this long without going to the gym ever again. Never again.
Hey y'all, it's Persephone Leanne, and welcome to my first week in my life vlog. I hope you're having a great day, a good morning, a good evening, whatever time it is for you. And I just want to let you know that you are loved, you are beautiful, you are stronger than you know, and you are capable of doing and having anything your heart desires. So keep pushing and enjoy the vlog.
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man.
What's up, y'all? So I'm back at home. I got all my groceries sitting on top of the stove, and I'm about to put those away. I did go to Target. I only got a couple things, one of which is this Mystic Mango Kombucha. But yeah, let's put these groceries away and figure out what's for dinner.
And hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. That my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life.
Can I shake that thing, yo? Annabella shake that thing, Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that, Miss. Can I shake that thing, Annabella shake that, Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that, Miss. Can I shake that thing, Annabella shake that, Miss Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo. Shake that, Miss. Can I shake Annabella shake that, Miss can I, yo, hey, yo, we make it clap, we make it clap, we make it clap. Just give me the line.
Got my venti iced matcha latte. This is with oat milk and toasted vanilla syrup. It's so good. It hit every time. And I'm about to get some editing done.
Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now.
Hey y'all, so it is Wednesday. It is 3:54 p.m. and I am feeling creative, y'all. We just pulled up to this fabric shop, and I'm gonna go in here and see if I find any fabrics that inspire me to make a fit or something. I'm just really in that creative mood and spirit today, so let's go inside and see what we can find.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime.
I don't know what it is about it, but something is attracting me to this fabric. Maybe it's the money. I don't know about this though, but
That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set.
I like this. This has a vintage feel.
I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Yeah, or maybe I want two. Okay.
So it's 8:35 p.m. much later in the day. As you guys saw, I did find two fabrics that I liked, but I'm just not really sure what exactly I want to make. Like, I know I want to make a two-piece set, but I don't know if I want to do pants or a skirt. I don't know if I want to do like one sleeve or both sleeves, a top or a bodysuit. I'm just not really sure. So I'm gonna focus on trying to figure out the design before I like rush the process. And then I'm also gonna edit this video, so that's what I'm about to do tonight. What's up, y'all? So it is Thursday. It is 4:57 p.m. and I just got my nails done. I'm not going to include any footage of that in this vlog because I'm using that footage for my self-care vlog that will already be up. But these are the results of my nails. They are gorgeous. So make sure you go check out that video if you want to see like part of the process and everything. But I'm outside of Target. I need to grab a few things. I'm really here to get some white polish for my at-home pedicure, which is also going to be included in the other video. So yeah, this day basically was full of me vlogging for a whole nother video. But I still want to check in with y'all and just, you know, update y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing today. So tomorrow I'll definitely get more footage doing things for this vlog. But yeah, it's pretty boring today.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is.
never going this long without going to the gym ever again. Never again. I'm so out of shape, but whew.
Tell me honestly, open your eyes and see. You could always get it unfortunately. Waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure if you got time to waste. Waste everything. Close your eyes to get away.
Yeah, I am tired. I need a nap. Hey y'all, so I just pulled up to this little outdoor shopping center. I don't really have anything specific in mind that I want to buy for real, but I kind of just want to browse around and see if there's anything I might want to grab. So let's go check it out.
You came no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. Oh, that you missing me now. No, you kissing me now. Oh, missing me now. Kissing me now. But I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. But I don't wanna play your games no more. I changed for sure, and I'm balling on you. Watch me pull off in that phone. Girl, don't come to my show. Who let you in the door? No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. No one knows.
No one knows.
No one knows. No one knows.
No one knows.
No one knows. No one knows.
No one knows.
No one knows. No one knows.
No one knows.
Hey y'all, it's Friday night and I'm currently on my way out to eat with my friends. I should be there in about 2 minutes, so I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I pull up. Y'all, finding street parking was just a struggle, but we did it. Y'all, I'm lost. I just had to ask this lady. She was so nice though. I just had to ask her, where do I go? Where's Pretty Little Tacos?
Yes, this is good. When you come to Atlanta, go to King of Pop, Coco Chocolate Sea Salt Fudge Bar. Sing it. These straws are. He thought the straw was fragile. I didn't know he meant fragile to the point where it's like you just press it and boom. Hey y'all, so I didn't do a good job of closing this video out. I thought I was going to record on Sunday, but I ended up spending all day Sunday editing. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you made it this far, you should definitely like and subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. And yeah, I hope to see you soon.